People seem to have overlooked two simple but profitable items: phone cases and stickers. Take a look at this example. Someone's selling phone cases for $17 each, and they've got over 2,800 reviews. Assuming just 2,800 sales, that's almost $50,000 in revenue. Even if that's an exceptional case, here's another one, selling for $16 per case with over 700 reviews. That's likely around 700 sales, which adds up to over $10,000. Now look at stickers. One costs just a little bit over $3, but with 2,600 reviews, that's at least $7,800. So why aren't more people talking about this? Is it saturation? I checked on Etsy and elsewhere, and no, it's not saturated. And the best part? These are incredibly easy to make. Why I use Artistly? I create these designs using a tool called Artistly. And here's why. It's precise, simple, and user-friendly. You don't need to know how to write prompts, just click buttons to control the style. You can upload a character or object and get consistent results every time. You can generate dozens or even hundreds of images instantly. It even has a feature called Mirror Magic, great for redesigning thumbnails or replicating visual styles. It also includes e-commerce mockups, which are in demand if you're targeting online sellers. All of this is done without any affiliation from me. There's no link, no promo, just Google Artistly.ai. Pricing Artistly stands out for one major reason: one-time payment. While tools like Midjourney or Leonardo require monthly subscriptions or credits, Artistly offers commercial plan, $49 one time, premium plan, $147 one time. Both come with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk in trying. How to start a side hustle. Now let's turn this into a business. First up, Redbubble.com and Printful. When it comes to phone cases, I personally prefer Redbubble. Just head over to the website, click on Sell Your Art, and log in or sign up. Once you're logged in, click your account icon and choose Sell Your Art again. From there, go to Add New Work, then Upload New Work. Now upload the image you created, maybe with Artistly or any other tool. I'll use a pattern I designed as an example. Here's what it'll look like. Scroll down and you'll see a list of available products. You can apply your design to t-shirts, blankets, shower curtains, all sorts of things. But I focus on phone cases. You'll need to enable this product and then edit it. One tip here, use the regular grid pattern. Why? Because it lets you do this. Just take a look. It looks great. Check it out on the phone case. You can scale the image to make it smaller or larger, however you want. This is what's called print on demand. You're probably familiar with the concept. Basically, you open a shop, maybe on Etsy, and when someone places an order, it goes straight to Redbubble. They handle everything, printing the design onto the phone case, packing it, and shipping it directly to your customer. You get paid, maybe around $13, depending on the product, and they take a small commission for doing all the work. That's the benefit of print on demand, hands-off fulfillment. Same thing applies to stickers. For those, I use Printful, which works similarly. I really like the Kiss Cut stickers they offer. Once you find the option, you'll see what it looks like and some examples. So here's what you do. Click Start Designing, then upload your design, just like on Redbubble. It's all very straightforward, nothing complicated. You just sit down, create your designs, upload them, and you're good to go. Let's say I want to use this small star. I upload it, and it'll display like this. You can remove the background with one click, so you just get the star, clean and simple. It'll look like a bubble sticker. Click Save to Template, and then connect your Printful shop to Etsy. There are tons of tutorials out there to help you with the setup. I won't stretch this video any longer, but the process is easy. Anyone can do it. You can do it. Everyone can do it. But here's the catch. It's all up to you. You need to actually sit down and do the work. It's not complicated, but people often lose focus or motivation. All it takes is setting things up properly. And you have the internet. If you get stuck, just look it up or ask someone. That's it. This really can be a great side hustle. No, it won't make you a millionaire overnight. And no, you're not going to make thousands in your first week. This isn't magic, it's work. So yeah, put in the work. Good luck with it. Catch you next time.